Hi, good morning, Aftab.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Aftab, can you take two different papers? Like one can be a notebook paper, one can be a newspaper.
Okay, ma'am.
I need a small pieces only, like A4 size, only two things. And scissor, you can take it. Fevicol, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. Can you on your videos? Zainab and Aftab.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Zainab. Aftab, please on your video. Aftab, you asked me about the basket that day and you have not made the basket. And
No, ma'am.
star also, where is the star? What happened, brother?
Ma'am, I brought.
You bought now? Yeah, just wait for 1 minute, I'll start. So today we are going to learn about the weaves. Like you have different weaves in textiles, in arts, in everything. Like how you do the weaving of baskets and all. There are many kinds of weave. Like in your dresses also, there is a weaving, then only the cloth is made. There are threads going through one another. So with that, you get a cloth. So all threads are together, then only that cloth is made. If you separate the threads, then the complete cloth will get separated with the threads. Only threads will be there in your cloth. So those are called weaves. So there are plain weave is there, 12 weave is there. So we are going to learn only three because there are many weaves. It will take many classes. So we are going to learn three simple weavings. So we are going to do it with papers. I'm not using anything else like newspaper sticks or something like that. It will take lots of time to make the sticks. So we are going to use two different color papers to use to put two colors. Like if you want to show in your dress, in your pattern, any two colors, if you're making a cloth, if you're making anything, so we are going to show it with two different colors. If you're making it one color only, then it will be little difficult for you all to learn with single color because you will not understand how to weave that, how it's going. So I'm going to show you with two different colors. So first we are going to learn about plain weave. Hello Mirza Sufyan. Please be ready with two different papers. One can be your notebook paper, one can be your newspaper, or any two different.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
My voice is breaking. Maybe you have a little network problem, better. Take two different papers to differentiate. If you have color papers, you can take two small color papers. So what we are going to do is, we are going to cut the strips 1 centimeter. Can you cut 1 centimeters, 10 strips? Hello, Zainab, Aftab and Sufyan. आप 1 centimeter mark करके you are going to cut 10 strips. 10 strips in this way or in this way, anyway. Both of them should be of same size. Fine. 10 strips. So we are going to start with plain weave. As soon as you complete this, Please click the photo and submit in. I have just put the assignment also. Different types of weave, plain weave, 12 weave and basket weave. In that only, whenever I'm
Ma'am.
teaching you whatever weave, you're going to put the photograph in that only. Yes, Sufyan?
Ma'am, I don't have color paper, so what should I do?
You can take waste papers. You can take your notebook papers, newspapers, brown paper, any
paper?
waste paper.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I take plain paper?
One plain paper, one return paper also you can take. Your old reader paper also you can take. If you have old readers, magazines, any notebooks, anything. It should be looking like two different papers, or else you can take one plain paper and one rule paper. Fine. So cut 1 centimeter, 10 strips. 1 centimeter. After I think so you have not written your test, arts test. So you're not interested in that? Even
No,
Sufyan
ma'am, I
was not.
returned.
When you have written, you came that day to write test?
Yes.
Okay, I'll check. I think so. I don't have. After. Okay, fine. Sufyan also written. Okay, fine. Sorry.
We have to by the denominator multiply by what number to get 63. For easy way you can understand from here. Leave 3. After leaving 3, which two numbers are getting 3 and 7. Multiply both the numbers 7 and 21. So if you are going to multiply this 3 by 21,
अपना काम कर लेते हैं तो वापस आएगा तो मैं रखता हूँ बोल जो मैं नहीं रखना अरे मुझे अरे अब मुश्किल है हम देखना क्लास में
Ma'am, the video is small. Yes, ma'am. If she will have power cut, so this whole thing will Yes, me or some people are coming. Where is ma'am? In between she gets Ma'am, the video is small.
same, I think so. Like ma'am was.
Okay, fine.
What you will do now? Some people are waiting.
दे देते मेरे को मेरा फोन.
मैं खुला है बिल्कुल जान बच के आप बोले. What did you read, Bajati? Unmute.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Ma'am, आएगा चलो.
No, you have to cut completely.
Complete.
Yeah, I have done all separate strips.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Let it be like that only. You do one thing. Show me again after. It can be okay. Fine. Okay, fine. So what we'll do? Where's your drawing book after? Stick it in that, or else stick it on a rough. You can stick it on a rough paper also. Take one straight rough paper. उसको ऊपर जो block है ना, you just stick like this. I have done it. See, I have done it on the board now. Stick it like that on a paper. This is your rough work. When you're doing fair, please do it in your drawing book. You are going to use 2 different color papers. Please, if you don't have color papers, buy some color papers and keep it with you. It can be crepe paper, chart papers, any color papers.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want bundle of papers. It can be 10 different color papers, crepe papers, anything. So you have to stick it like this.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this.
Yeah. And one more. Other one should be different. See, आपको ऐसे cut करना है. Fine. I told you you need 2 papers. So one paper should be little bit different.
Good
it
morning,
should not
ma'am.
look the same. Okay, fine. Good morning. Cut the strips. Different. It
Ma'am,
should
what
come
we
out
have
like
to
this.
do?
After it should come like this. Okay, different.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Ali Abedi, you are 17 minutes late.
Yes, ma'am. Link नहीं मिली थी.
लिंक नहीं खुल रही थी.
खुल रही नहीं थी ना मैम. लिंक नहीं मिल रही थी.
लिंक नहीं मिल रही थी. फाइन. Okay, Ali, just you have to take 2 different papers and 10 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 10 strips you have to cut with 2 different papers. 10 strips of 1 centimeters, यानी कि आपको 20 strips cut करने का है. This size. Please on your video, Sufyan and Ali Abidi. You have to on your video. Please on your video. Ali Abidi, please
1
on your
minute,
video.
ma'am.
Okay, Sufyan, you have to on your video.
Ma'am, I have cut it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Finished? Okay. See, your plane wave look like this. Your plane wave will look like this. I will show you how to weave that. Fine. So it will look like this, plain weave. So we have to pass this like from top, then bottom, then top, then bottom. ऐसे जाएगा ये. It should look like this. Fine. Alternate, every alternate you have to weave, that is called plain weave. Fine.
Ma'am, voice is stucking, ma'am.
Voice is,
Stucking, ma'am.
maybe you are having problem, others can hear the voice, brother. You have to cut 1 centimeters, same length, 20 strips with different color, 2 different colors. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are learning about plain weave. Plain weave is sometimes called tabby weave also. It is very simplest and the common type of weave from all the weaves. Mostly they use this weave only to weave the fabric, to do anything. Weaving thing like weaving baskets, wooden basket, plastic baskets and paper baskets, whatever it is, they use this weave only for commonly. This will be weave one upon the other, like one will be up, one will go down, one comes up, one will go down. It's with the yarn also you do the same thing with wood and with paper. Fine. So this is called plain weave. Under and upper part. So it will go like this. So one has come up here. Zainab, Aftab and Abedi. Sufyan, can you see? Okay. So the next one.
Ma'am, I'm rejoin now.
आपको problem हो रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You can rejoin, no problem. You can rejoin. Aftab and
Okay,
Zainab and Sufyan, can you see this? So one has come up and down. Now next will be from down. Again, you will go up. Alternate. It should go like this. Can you see this? Aftab, can you follow that? Okay, Sufyan, you are getting it? Hello, Sufyan. Hello, Mr. Sufyan, are you there or are you gone? Hello, Sufyan. So Sufyan is not there. Shall I put absent to him? Mirza Sufyan. Mirza Sufyan, where are you? And everyone should be very happy. From 1st September, government also has started online classes. They have given the permission for that. So be happy. In Andhra, from 5th September, schools are getting reopened. But in Telangana, it is not getting reopened, but we are going to have online classes like this only. So even government has given the nod, yani from High Court, we got the nod for conducting online classes, everything. So be happy for that. So already FA1 is over and start preparing for your first term. Then at the end, you will be having final exams, maybe online or maybe in school, you will be writing your final exams.
Seventh, you start with the seventh plus everybody able to do this. So if not finish this, then start with the first one. Okay, but I want you to practice 7 plus. Okay, start with the 7 plus. All the students are so that I can help them. Yes, Ayan, did well. Ayan,
Yes, ma'am.
no, Ayan. Everybody, can I explain 7 plus? If yes, thumbs up. So 7 plus, yes.
See after Zainab and Sufyan, it will look like this. Sufyan, for Sufyan, I'm putting absent. He's not there in the class. So he'll be absent today. Mr. Sufyan, what happened? You don't want to answer? Can you on your mic and answer? Hello, Sufyan. On your mic and answer me. Ali Abedi, you got how I'm doing it? Okay, fine. Very good. Yeah, yes, very good. After, very nice. It's looking really good. But that extra part should not be there after. It should get end over here. Starting and end. See, it should look like this. बाहर नहीं रहना है. It should not come out anywhere.
जैना नाम को भेजो, उसके अंदर कोई फोटो जो नहीं दिया, उनको भेजना कर दो.
Fine. It should not come out over here. It should not come out over here when you are doing the weaving part. Sufyan, can you on your video? If you are unable to unmute yourself, please on your video. Thank you, Sufyan, brother. So did you understand, Sufyan? At least show me thumbs up. You got it or not? Okay, fine. So after completing, do one thing. If it is a rough work, if it is a fair work, after completing, take a photo and submit it in Google Classroom. Then that work will not be pending. The next class will do the second weave. So same thing, you can do it. After finishing, take the photo and send it in Google Classroom. So nothing will be pending and nothing, you will never get zero in that, in your work. After this, you will be sitting like later on, we'll send to ma'am and you're forgetting. Yes?
कलर पेपर्स नहीं है मैम.
It's okay, fine. You can do it with 2 rough papers.
Okay मैम.
You do one thing. I'll show you how to make the color paper. Take a plain paper, color that. Take one more paper, color that, and cut into strips. You get color papers.
Okay
कलर
मैम.
पेंसिल से आप उसको कलर कर दीजिए, आपको कलर पेपर बन गया. 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स से हाफ ऑफ पेपर को कलर कर दीजिए, देन दैट इज डन. ओके, थैंक यू. And one more thing, a small written work also I'm giving you, just of 2 lines. It will be 2 lines work only. Everyone just listen. When you are finishing the plain weave, you have to write a small definition of plain weave in 2 lines or 3 lines. It must be of 2 to 3 lines only. What is plain weave? Okay. Just after finishing, write it down or write it on the side. You have to stick this in your drawing book. You have to stick this in your drawing book, and you have to write down your definition of plain weave. Yes. So it is simple only. You're finding it difficult. Can you answer me, everyone? After, if it is easy or hard? Mike, your mic is off after.
I'm easy.
Okay, fine. What about Zainab?
Easy, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So with this, you can create with different colors also. Fine. You have to write a short note on it, a very short note. What is plain weave? In next class, we'll do the next one. 12 weave will do. 12. 12 weave. Then the last one will be basket weave. And I just want to ask you, you all are having plastic plates or fiber plates, which are waste plate. We eat dinner in the plate now, that plate. It should be plain. Do we have that waste one? I'm talking about waste, plastic plate or any fiber plates, any waste. If you all are having, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you're not having, so I can't tell you the activity.
Ma'am, I have.
Okay, fine. Let's see. If not, we'll do
Ma'am,
something.
I'm having.
You are also having, fine. Aftab is having, Zainab Ali is having. Ali Abedi, do you have?
Ma'am,
I also have ma'am.
Okay, Sufyan, do
I'm
you have?
printed, ma'am.
Thumbs up or hands up? Sufyan,
Ma'am,
yes.
printed, ma'am.
Printed hai. Can you show me if you have now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. If it is printed, I'll just see ki how much print is there on that. So if we can do anything with that, then we'll do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Sufyan is not having. Okay, fine. We'll see, Sufyan will have some other option for that.
Ma'am,
Okay, but brother, we are going to use this plate means this won't be used at home again. This plate you can't use it at home again. So we need it waste plate.
Ma'am, use and throw chalti.
Use and throw will not go, brother.
extra, ma'am.
Not use and throw. Okay, fine. We'll go for some. Still, we have some time now. We are starting this activity next week, so we'll see what we can do. I will find out some other way.
Okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Keep it this aside. We'll find some other way also to do. We'll find out some other way.
Oh. Okay, ma'am.
So after your meeting is finished, no need of to rejoin. You don't need to rejoin it. Okay. You can sit and complete this and post it in Google Classroom. Write 2 lines definition of plane weave and post it that time only. So your work will be finished. You will be free. About plane weave, you have to write what is plane weave. It is commonly used in yarns, in all other making things. So plane weave is a very common weave to use and very simple also. We have little difficult weaves. That is little bit different. Satin weave we have.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
You have to write about plane weave. This is called plane weave. What you are doing now, it is called plane weave. W-E-A-V-E. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
find out the small 2 lines definition. What is plane weave? Write down that. See, after finishing this, you can write down about plane weave. Write the heading plane weave and write about it. Plane weave is a common weave, mostly used in the yarns and making basket and all. It is commonly used. Okay. So you have a definition on Google also. You can write it in your own words also. I don't want very big definitions, full page definitions. No, it can be of 2 lines or 3 lines also. Yeah, you're doing it rough. Okay, fine. Yeah, good. You can use black and white also. Do half paper black color and the remaining white will be there. So you can do the weaving part. One paper you can keep white, one paper you can color it red, blue, green, yellow, anything. So if you don't have color papers, you can do it in this way. If you have newspapers also, a small piece of newspaper, you can color it and different paper will be like that only. So you have many options. And whatever artwork you are doing, please keep it safely, because when we are doing exhibition, your work will be displayed by your name only. Like this student has made these things with waste material, with recycled material. Like Zainab Ali has made all these things, Aftab has made all these things. So parents and people who comes from outside, they see all that. Even we invite different schools also. People come from principals and coordinators, and students comes from different schools to see the exhibition. Every year we have in Focus High School, exhibition will be there. So again, I'm telling you, you don't need to rejoin the class. After you finish, please complete your work and submit in Google Classroom. I have already assigned your work.
मैम अरे मैम सुनो मैम अरे नॉन वेज नहीं खानी वीडियो में करना नहीं करना मैम मैम बहुत ही मीटिंग 1 सेकंड में 1 2 3 मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोले, वो मेरे को नहीं मालूम। मैं 40 बार हैंड रेस करा। Not my fault। बसंती के जैसे आदमी को समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या मैं जो मैं कल करा। बसंती के जैसे आदमी को समझ में नहीं आया क्या बोलना। कल तो इतना होता था मैम ग्राइंडर अभी वीडियो बनना है
यार मीटिंग रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है।
अच्छा सॉरी